Lesson number 11, Heart of Gold, written by Sudha Murthy. Let me introduce with the characters of this story. Number 1, a policeman. Number 2, wife. Number 3, son. Number 4, a beggar woman. Number 5, a beggar daughter. Let us know about the topic. The topic Heart of Gold is based on the noble value of helping others without expecting anything from them. In this story, a kind-hearted and generous policeman helps the needy woman and her daughter. But later on, he comes to know that he was cheated. So let us know what was his reaction on being cheated. Before starting with the explanation of the topic Heart of Gold, let us know something about the author. Sudha Murthy is an Indian social worker and author. She is well known for her helping work. She has initiated a move to provide all the government schools in Karnataka with computer and library facilities. In 2004, she was presented with the Sri Rajalakshmi Award for her social work. In 2006, she was awarded the Padma Shri, a civilian award by the Government of India. Once, when the author visited to the US, she heard on the radio that a worried mother who was shivering with cold stood by the road, wearing an old coat. Her little daughter, who was thin, sick-looking with a shaven head, was wearing an oversized dress which somebody had probably given her. They were homeless and poor. The child had a placard in her hand which said that she suffered from cancer and requested to help her. Now here the author once visited to the US and there she comes to know that on a radio it was announced that a worried mother with her daughter they were asking for help because the child was shaven head and wearing a long dress and they were asking for help and the child carried a placard means a notice written on the cardboard and it was written that the child was suffering from cancer and they both requested everybody to help them. The policeman who was passing by saw the mother and the little daughter. He asked them few questions and believed that the child was really sick with her swollen eyes and shaven head. He thought of helping them. So a policeman passed by them and he saw their condition and he felt pity on them and he decided to help these two people. He saw a bundle of notes which he received as a good bonus for the excellent work done by him. He thought that the woman and the little child were the one who needed that money more. So he gave away his bonus to the woman. After some days, when the policeman's son was reading a newspaper, he read that a mother and a child being caught up for cheating people. Now the policeman felt pity on the woman and he gave away his bonus, the extra money which he had earned by his good work. He had given those money to that woman. But after some days, when one day the policeman's son was reading the newspaper, he comes to know that a mother and a child were caught for being cheating the people. He read that a greedy mother used her healthy child to pose as a cancer patient. She shaved her child's head, dressed her shabbily so that everybody would feel the child was suffering from cancer. She cheated many people using this trick and at last she was arrested. The son told his father that he had been cheated by the woman. The boy expected his father, being a policeman, could have punished the mother and the little girl. But he was surprised to see that his father was not upset and in a very calm voice he told his son he was happy that the child was healthy. Now, when the boy read the newspaper that the mother and the daughter were arrested for being cheating the people, now he told his father about the incident that whatever you had given the help to those people, they were cheaters. And he informed his father that you are also cheated by that woman. But instead of being taking any action, his father became happy and he told his son that he was happy that the child was healthy. At this, the mother told the son that you are fortunate to have an extraordinary father who is not angry even though he has lost his money. Instead, he is happy that somebody's child is healthy. So help others without expecting anything in return. So when the boy was surprised that his father is happy even though he was cheated, so the mother told the son that you are very lucky to have an extraordinary father because he is not angry that his money is lost, but he is happy that somebody's child is healthy and he or she is not suffering from cancer. So we should always help others without expecting anything in return. Moral of this story: we should always help the needy people without expecting anything in return. Now I will narrate this story in the words of the narrator, that is Sudha Murthy. Section 2, Heart of Gold, Part 1. This is a true story. I heard it on the radio during one of my visits to the US. It happened in one of the biggest cities in the world, New York. It was winter. One evening, a worried mother stood shivering by the road, wearing an old coat. With her was a little girl, thin, sick-looking, with a shaven head. She was wearing an oversized dress which somebody had probably given to her out of mercy. It was apparent that they were homeless and poor. The child had a cardboard placard in her hand which said, "I am suffering from cancer. Please help me." The mother was carrying a begging bowl. Whenever the traffic lights turned red, they would approach people, stopping them on the road and asking for help. America is a rich country, but if you are sick and don't have insurance, then you are in deep trouble. Nobody can support you. People give small amounts of money when they see such pleas for help. This kind of scene is not uncommon in India. We see lots of beggars with small infants in one hand and a begging bowl in another. But in America, it is not so common. People felt bad for this unfortunate mother and child. One day, a policeman was passing by and saw them. He asked them a few questions and noticed that the child indeed looked very sick with her swollen eyes and shaven head. He wanted to help, so he opened his purse. He saw a bundle of notes which he had just withdrawn from the bank. He had received a good bonus for the excellent work he had done. He thought, I have a warm home, a caring wife, and a loving son. God has been very kind to me, but these unfortunate people don't have any one of these things. It is not their mistake that God has not been kind to them. He remembered many things he had promised his wife and son he would buy when he got his bonus. For a while he was in two minds. Then he decided and gave all the cash which he had withdrawn from the bank to the woman and said, "Please take good care of the child." When he reached home, his son met him at the doorstep as usual and hugged him. The house was warm and nice. He sat in front of his wife and looking at the view outside, he narrated the whole incident. After listening to him for a while, his wife was silent. Then she smiled. But the son was angry. He said, "Dad, how are you sure that they have not cheated you? Even though you wanted to help them, you could have given some portion. Why did you give everything?" The policeman laughed at his son and said, "Son, you do not know what poverty is. I come across such unfortunate people in my work." Part 2. Days passed and everybody forgot about it. One day, a news item in the paper caught the son's attention. "Mother and child caught cheating." With great interest he read. A greedy mother used her healthy child to pose as a cancer patient. She shaved the child's head, starved her, and dressed her shabbily so that everybody would feel the child was suffering from cancer. Using the tactic, she duped many people. The mother has been arrested. The son realized who these people were and was very upset. When his father came home, he told him as soon as he entered the house, "Dad, you were cheated by that lady and her child, who you thought was a cancer patient. The child is healthy and you gave away your entire bonus to that child." His father did not reply. He sat down and looked out of the window. There were children playing outside. Winter was over and summer was setting in. In a calm voice he said, "Son, I am very happy. The child is healthy." The boy was surprised. He thought, being a policeman, his father would pick up the phone and talk to the police station, or he would be depressed that he had been cheated and given away so much of money to a healthy child. But there were no traces of such emotions. He asked, "Dad, tell me, are you not upset?" His father again gave him the same answer. "I am happy that the child is healthy." By that time, his wife came with a mug of coffee in her hand. She had heard the entire conversation. With happiness in her voice, she told her son, "Son, you are very fortunate. You have an extraordinary father who is not angry even though he has lost a lot of money. You should be proud that your father is happy thinking somebody's child is healthy, rather than worrying about his own big bonus. Learn from him. Help people without expecting anything in return." Students, hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.